after the centre withdrew the IT Bill 2025 for updation, top sources have told Times Now that a lot of apprehension is now being raised on social media about the withdrawal of the Income Tax Bill 2025, which was introduced in the Lok Sabha in February 2025 by the Finance Minister. Sources say that this apprehension is ill-founded, and as a new bill is going to be introduced, it will incorporate all the changes which have been suggested by the Select Committee and which have been accepted by the government. So this is a normal parliamentary procedure when amendments in the bill are already introduced, and there are many changes that have been introduced, and that's the reason why it is being brought in. So a bill having been introduced in the parliament becomes the property of that house, Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha, as the case may be. Now, in case any amendment is required to be made in that bill, the member of the House or the person who has introduced the bill, in this case it is the Finance Minister, has to move each amendment individually. And for that purpose, for each amendment, she would have to first seek approval of the Lok Sabha Speaker to move the amendment, and then the Lok Sabha Speaker puts it to the House whether to allow the changes or not. And thereafter the amendments are moved for consideration by the House. Then, on the House agreeing to the amendment is to be considered again as part of the bill. My colleague Kritika continues to stay live with us. And Kritika, there has been some apprehension. There are a few questions that have been raised over the centre withdrawing the IT Bill 2025, but also suggesting that there is no reason to worry. Put things into perspective, because there are questions that are being raised on why is it that the bill was withdrawn.
Well, yes, of course. Now, what the sources are telling us is that the bill is being withdrawn for some much-needed updation. That is the only process that will be carried forward. It will not be so that an absolutely new bill will be introduced. So definitely what we had heard earlier this year as far as the new income tax bill will also apply. It will just have certain tweaks and provisions to go down further. Now, what has also been cleared by the sources is that the apprehensions regarding the withdrawing of this bill is in fact ill-founded, and the new bill which is to be introduced will incorporate all the changes which have been suggested by the Select Committee and which have been accepted by the government. So the provisions that had been introduced earlier, the measures that had been discussed will in fact just be updated and will be a part of the new bill as well. And it has also been clarified that this is a normal parliamentary procedure as well, when amendments in the bill are already introduced and many. So it is just to incorporate these changes, which is why the bill is being withdrawn. And now soon enough in the next week, we will see the updation process begin as well.
Okay, all right. Kritika, thank you for joining us with those details. With that, we're shifting our attention now.